Now, when you create these little stockings, like I said, there are several different sizes that you can choose from, 3 in total. In fact, this is the largest, and I think this is the medium size. And they go together with several different fabrics, so you can kind of play with your scraps or grab a little fat quarter bundle of your favorite fabrics, and you've got what you need for the project. You also need a backing fabric. The back is also quilted in the hoop, and then you'll need a fabric for the lining. So like I said, with this one I grabbed a fat quarter bundle and I had more than enough to create my stocking and the lining and the backing piece.